From ocean waters to human intestines, Vibrio travels silently, turning from a harmless microbe into a deadly pathogen. In the previous video, we explored the characteristics and laboratory identification of Vibrio. If you haven't watched my last video, go give it a watch. Today, let's go deeper into the diseases caused by different Vibrio species, how they spread, what they do inside our body, and how we can prevent them. The first type is Vibrio cholerae, the cause of cholera. Vibrio cholerae is the well-known species of the genus responsible for cholera, a severe diarrheal disease that has caused many global epidemics. In case of transmission, it spreads mainly through contaminated water and food, especially in areas with poor sanitation. Moving to pathogenesis. After ingestion, the bacteria reach the small intestine, where they multiply and release cholera toxin. The toxin binds to intestinal epithelial cell and activates cyclic adenosine monophosphate pathway, causing loss of water and electrolytes. Let's check the symptoms of Vibrio cholerae. Sudden onset of watery diarrhea, vomiting, muscle cramps, and dehydration. In severe case, dehydration may lead to hypovolemic shock and death if not treated quickly. In case of treatment and prevention, prompt rehydration therapy is life-saving. Antibiotics like doxycycline or azithromycin can shorten the duration and severity. The zinc supplementation helps in children. Safe drinking water, sanitation, hygiene, and cholera vaccination in endemic areas are some of the prevention methods against Vibrio cholerae. The next type is Vibrio parahemolyticus, the seafood pathogen. This halophilic Vibrio is found in marine and coastal waters. It commonly contaminates raw or undercooked seafood, especially oysters and shrimps. Let's see the transmission mode. It occurs after consuming the contaminated seafoods. Moving to the pathogenesis of Vibrio parahemolyticus, this organism produces thermostable direct hemolysin and TDH-related hemolysin, which damage the intestinal cells leading to inflammation. The symptoms commonly include watery diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Occasionally, fever and headache are also noticed. Treatment: oral rehydration and antibiotics if severe, like tetracycline and ciprofloxacin. In case of prevention of Vibrio parahemolyticus, cook seafood thoroughly. Avoid cross-contamination between raw and cooked foods. Maintain proper refrigeration. The third category is Vibrio vulnificus, the flesh-eating Vibrio. These are opportunistic marine pathogens causing severe wound infections and septicemia. The transmission mainly occurs through open wounds exposed to seawater and also by consuming raw or undercooked seafood, particularly oysters. Moving to the pathogenesis of Vibrio vulnificus, this species produce cytolysin and proteolytic enzyme that rapidly destroy tissue and invade the bloodstreams. The common symptoms noticed are painful skin swelling, fever, chills, low blood pressure, and multi-organ failure in septicemia cases. The treatment usually given for this category are immediate antibiotic therapy like doxycycline and ceftazidime. Let's see the prevention. Avoid exposing open wound to seawater, and the proper cooking of seafood should be monitored. From a harmless marine dweller to a life-threatening pathogen, Vibrio shows how small organisms can create massive impacts on human health. Understanding these diseases not only helps in early diagnosis but also reminds us that clean water, hygiene, and awareness are our best defenses. Thank you for your valuable time. See you all on next interesting microbiology story only on Medical Guruji. Enjoy your day. Thank you and bye-bye.